This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into ESIC as an employee. The ESIC portal is an essential online platform for all employees covered under the Employees State Insurance Scheme. It provides a convenient way to access your personal details, check your contribution history, and understand your eligibility for various benefits. This guide will help you navigate the portal smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you can manage your Social Security information with ease. For your initial login, you'll need to visit the official ESIC website and find the Insured Person Login option. Your employer will have provided you with a unique 17-digit insurance number, which acts as your username. If it's your very first time, you might need to complete a sign-up process, setting a new, strong password. Ensure your registered mobile number is updated to receive any necessary one-time passwords for verification. For subsequent logins, the process is straightforward. Simply navigate to the ESIC portal and select the Insured Person Login option. You will then enter your unique 17-digit insurance number, followed by your chosen password. Don't forget to accurately input the CAPTCHA code displayed on the screen. After entering all details, click the Login button to securely access your employee dashboard and manage your ESI benefits. Encountering login issues can be frustrating, but solutions are available. If you forget your password, simply click the Forgot Password link on the login page. You'll need your insurance number and the mobile number registered with ESIC to receive a one-time password for verification. This OTP will allow you to reset your password. If you face persistent technical problems, such as not receiving an OTP, it's best to contact ESIC customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.